checking to see if this camera works while I was out blowing snow in the 35 below wind chill. It quit recording video, but it still had sound, so not sure if this is working or not. Testing it out. Just got the Chrysler washed up. The old work car is officially up for sale. Got a guy interested. Just texted him, giving him first opportunity on it. There she is, all clean, ready to go. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today is Sunday. I hadn't planned on doing anything today. It is like 15 to 20 degrees below zero with like a negative 35 degree Fahrenheit wind chill. Anyway, neighbor called and their snowblower broke and they would like to have their sidewalks cleared out, and then maybe we'll bring his snowblower over here in the heated garage and take a look at it, see if we can figure out what's going on with it. But so we're gonna go do that. I'm gonna go check the drive of our friends that have the chiropractic office in town, make sure that got taken care of for tomorrow morning so he don't have to worry about it when he gets to town. So anyway, we're gonna go do some scouting here first in the Ranger and see what we got going on. The sidewalk we're going to do over here has an empty lot beside it, so I think I'm almost going to have to do the whole block just to get to it. But we'll go check that out and see. But I'm going to scoop that snow out from in front of the doorway first. I think what I've seen from people is we've received about 21 inches of snow since it started, maybe last Tuesday, so the last 5 days. And it's been blowing like crazy, so about time you get something opened up, it blows back shut again. And we haven't even started moving anything out the farm yet. I don't even think I can get there until the county goes through with the maintainer and gets that road opened up. So it's not good. Okay, so this is totally, well, it's been done. Been done a couple times, but it blew back in again, so it needs to be done again. That sidewalk over there was done. It's all drifted back shut again. So yeah, we'll have to come down here and get this opened back up, so because it'll be open for business tomorrow morning, and need that parking lot cleared off. So now we'll go check the neighbors and see what we're going to have to do to get into that sidewalk, because I want to blow it from west to east because the wind's coming from the northwest, so I could get in at his place and blow it going west, but all the snow and fines are going to be blowing back into my face. So even if I'm blowing it off to the south, you'll still get a little bit. So I would prefer to blow it from west to east. So we'll go see what the west end of the block looks like if I can get in over there. So this is the sidewalk that needs done over here. There's a driveway here, but that'd take a lot of work to get in there. I'm going to have to come in from this west side, and that hasn't been opened up yet, so gonna be a little bit of work. So anyway, but whatever. We've got some pretty nice snow removal equipment. I have way more equipment than what I actually need for my own property, so it's kind of nice to be able to use it to help the neighbors out too, or whatever. So, and we just do it for, we don't charge them for it. We just do it just to help out. I kind of enjoy moving snow. I don't enjoy moving snow when it's 35 below wind chill, but on a normal day I do kind of enjoy moving snow, oddly enough. But today I don't think it's going to be very fun. And Gracie came along for the ride. Gracie, you can show everybody your coat. She does not like wearing her coat. She thinks it's embarrassing. There you go, Gracie. That sure is a cute coat that you have. Not impressed? So I've got all my winter gear out here. You can tell I'm trying to convince myself that I want to go do this, but anyway. I've got my coveralls and my heavy coat on the mower there. But as you can see, for a dwelling in the city limits, we've got, well, let's see, let's just say I'm a little bit spoiled in my snow removal equipment. So we do have a double lot here and a lot of concrete out in front of this garage, but it's overkill, but it's fun, and I do enjoy helping other people. So that's what we're going to do today. So I'll get bundled up and make sure we're full of gas and check the oil in the old girl and go move some snow. I did grease it all up yesterday, the PTO shaft and all that. There's some grease zerks on this shaft in here too that I did not find any on the end. Those must be self-sealed bearings, but I think I got it all greased up, ready to go, so we'll go use it. Power on. Gotta have music.